So over here you can see that I got a bunch of notes right here, and then what you can do with the notes is you can easily go around and make copies of them so that you can edit out the copy and keep the original as it is. To do that, I'm going to go around onto this particular note right here, and you can click on the more button right here, and here you can see make a copy is an option. If you have to go around and click on it, then an exact copy of the note is created right here. So an exact copy is here. So now you can go ahead and make changes to this particular note with the information that is already there. So you got the first version and the second version of the note right here. Let me just go around onto this section, and you can go around onto more from over here as well. And then you can go around and then make a copy of this note, and you can see that it pops up over here with the picture and all the information, and you can go ahead and make the changes to this however you want. So that is how you can go around and then make copies of notes and then work around with them inside of Google Keep. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.